if you bring your arms up this way and then reverse. So the in-spin portion would be going to the right, and the anti-spin portion is going to the left. Let's drill each hand separately for the clockwise one. So start with your left hand back here, and then come to the front, and then out and back. Front, out, back. Front, out, back. Front, out, back. We'll do 10 more, 9 more, 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, last 2, and last 1. Now, let's do your right hand. Start with it at the 12 o'clock point, bring it to the back, and then anti-spin to the front, like this. And then we'll do 10 more of this, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, strong core, 4, use that Pilates, 3, 2, and last 1. Okay, now for this one, we'll start in the back, we come to the front, and then side, back in the anti-spin, front, side, back, front, side, back, front, side, back, front, side, back. Okay, it's much better when it's on its own. But one thing that's happening when I'm watching is your angle is more like this than like this. So a couple things can help with that. One is bending your elbow more and lifting your hand up more, shortening the poise slightly so that you can hold it here better. And then just holding it here and practicing this and practicing using enough momentum to keep it flatter rather than this where it's droopy, right? So you want to keep it flat rather than letting it fall. And then trying the whole sequence with the slightly shorter poi and see if that helps you. It may not because it's a different timing. Clockwise, starting back here and front and side and back, front, side, 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 back, and 10 more. 9 more, 8 more, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, last 2, last 1. Do the left arm above, starting in the back position, and the right arm above in the front position, like this. So left's in the back, right is in the front. And then swing. So that part should be, in theory, the easiest part. Then you're going to bring the 2 poi to the sides. And then you bring it so the left is in the back and the right is in the front. And then we swing. And we go to the sides. And the left is in the back and the right is in the front. We'll do 10 more sets like this. So we'll swing. And then both of them go to the sides. Then left is in back and right is in the front. And then we'll swing. And they'll both go to the sides, and the left is in the back and the right is in the front, and then swing to the sides, then left, back, right, front, swing to the sides, left, back, right, front, swing to the sides, left, back, right, front. We're going to do 5 more sets, swing to the sides, left, back, right, front, swing to the sides, left, back, right, front, swing to the sides, left, back, right, front, 3 more, swing to the sides, left, back, right, front, last 2, swing to the sides, left, back, right, front, and then last 1, swing to the sides, left, back, right, front. start like this with the left in the back and the right in the front, and you swing, and then, or maybe just start with it clockwise above your arm, and then in the side positions here, then move to the left back, right front in the anti-spin, and then swing, side and front, back, swing, side and switch, swing, side and switch, swing, side and switch, swing, sides and switch, swing, sides and switch,